Let's draft a pattern for 8 pieces blouse. So we'll be drafting a pattern using our armhole princess dart bustier pattern. So we want to achieve fullness at the hem area. This is the center front for the blouse. And the line is actually from the waist to the hip, and I came down by 1 inch like this, and I will be connecting it this way. We want to use the slash and spread method to achieve fullness at the hem area in order to achieve our 8 pieces effects. So we will cut it out this way. On a fresh pattern paper, we will place it like so. Identify that center. Draw a line like this just for a guide. You put the paper together first, identify the midpoint, and place it back this way. Use your masking tape or your gum to hold it in place. So we'll be spacing it by 3 inches. This is the fullness we want to achieve, just by 3 inches. You can space more than this or even less. So we space the other side 3 inches and also space the other side 3 inches. So we have a total of 6 inches here. This is for the center front. So we have added the flay to the hemline using our slash and spread method. We want to achieve 8 pieces blouse here. Just to divide your pattern into 4, front 4, back 4, making it a total of 8 inches. So this is for the side seam. That is for the side. You divide there into 2 as well, and you draw a straight line. You mark 1 inch down and you connect it this way. Do not cut through. Leave 1/8 hanging. So on another fresh paper, we also draw a guideline and place it like so. We'll be opening it up by 3 inches as well. You open it by 3 inches on this side. On the other side as well, you open up by 3 inches. So what we have is also a total of 6 inches. So we'll measure, to make sure we have the same length, and we connect it this way. Make sure you are having the same length from that waist area. So you cut it out. This is for our side seam. This is actually an armhole princess bustier blouse we drafted earlier. We are altering it in order to achieve 8 pieces blouse. So we have added fullness to the center front, and this is for the side. So if we are cutting, we'll be cutting 2 of the center front, and we add our sewing allowance. If you need a zipper at the center front, you add your zipper allowance, and 2 for the side seam as well, giving us 4. You add your sewing allowance at the side also. So this is it for the front. Let's go to the back now. This is the center back. You do the same thing. You divide by 2 and draw a straight line like so. Come down by 1 inch and connect it this way. So you also open it up. You draw your guideline like so. You open it up by the same value, which is 3 inches. This is the length of the blouse. You open it up now by 3 inches. Exactly what we use at the front. So this is it. We have 3 inches here. On the other side also we are marking 3 inches. So we have a total of 6 inches here. So you also measure to make sure you have the same length there. So this is actually how to add fullness to the hemline when making 6 pieces or 8 pieces blouse. Using the slash and spread method. I did a video on how to achieve fullness of 6 pieces blouse. Check on that video. I use a different method on that one. So you also do the same thing. Come down by 1 inch and connect. Kindly check out on the 6 pieces blouse video. I use another method, not the slash and spread method. It will be nice that you check that video out for you to see the various ways you can achieve fullness when making 6 pieces or an 8 pieces blouse. So you also open it up again. Just exactly what we have been doing all this while. Open it up by 3 inches. Identify the center, that is the length. Mark 3 inches. It can be less than 3 inches, it can be more. Just depending on how fuller you want that area, depending on the fullness you want to achieve. So for us here, we are using 3 inches. So you also mark 3 inches on the other side. Like so. Also measure and make sure that the lengths are equal before connecting. This is actually the best and the professional way to go about this. So we are almost done with this. So this is the side for the back blouse. Yes, the one we did earlier was the center, and this is the side. We will be cutting 2 of these side pieces and 2 of the center back pieces as well. So this is it for the back. We have the back and the front. So you'll be cutting 2 pieces for each of this pattern. If you want a zipper at the center front, you add your zipper allowance. Add your half an inch sewing allowance all through. Add your sewing allowance by the side. If you need zipper at the center back, you add your zipper allowance. So this is it for the drafting. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.